shared 1,000 cups of coffee, laughed till we cried at midnight shows. You've held my hand through every heartbreak, but this feels like something I don't know. You smiled today and I looked longer. You said my name and it just stayed. There's something warm beneath the surface that wasn't there yesterday. It might be love, or maybe I'm just tired of running, but your shoulders never felt so right. It might be love, or just a moment slow